Good morning, everyone. It's currently 4 in the morning. I gotta get to the Chicago airport any minute now. Oh, I'm surprising my family. A sandwich, and I really want coffee. We're here. So I chose to do the bus at 4 o'clock. That way I had some time to walk around, ditz around Phoenix a little bit. I've already been sitting plain for so long. Like, I want to move my body a little bit. Not mad about it. ¿Puedo tener uno asada y carnitas?
No tengo carnitas.
Okay. Birria?
Yeah.
Dos birria, por favor. I'm sitting on the side of 7-Eleven. Bye, Z. Nice to meet you.
Pressing the SOS button, or I'm gonna have to pull the bus over. Now it stops.
7 p.m. I finally made it. I told the Lyft driver to pull over. I can creep up to my parents' house. I feel like a criminal right now. Hello.
Oh my god.
Hi. Hi.
Do you guys know this?
No!
Hi.
Oh my god! I'm like shaking!
I thought I was gonna scare you from the knock.
Oh my god! And I just said,
I thought that.
Hi.
oh my gosh!
How are you?
I'm like shaking.
Thanks for the warm welcome.
Oh my gosh!
You guys didn't know?
No.
No. Did you know?
No?
Gotcha.
No one
You said you
knows.
wanna
Just
call
Jenny.
me.
She gave me the garage code from last time she was here. I'm so grateful to be here. Like, I know I'm supposed to be here right now and heal my heart, heal my soul. And you know what's crazy is I bought this ticket back in December because I was sad. It's one of those things where I knew to just buy it. My past self was looking out for my future self. And it's like I knew I needed to be here, so I'm so happy. So yeah, let's have fun. Every single day I started my morning with a workout, and I am so grateful I had the opportunity to work out with my mom. She's training to run across America, so I was so fulfilled being in the same room working out with her. I'm gonna go on a bike ride. Fearless. Oh shit! Oh, I'm good. That's my adrenaline for the day. It is so peaceful being here, and I am just so grateful. One of the nights I cooked my family a dinner. Cooking is my love language. I love fueling people. It brings me immense joy. Your turn, your turn. Okay. And it was so much fun just being with my little sister. Like, it fueled my soul and my heart, and I'm so grateful. Journaling about this is like being here in nature, chilling in these rocks. This is what makes me feel the most whole and grounded and complete. Like, there's nothing I'm yearning for. I have no desire for anything. I'm just grateful to be here. As the sun is penetrating my skin, the air is fresh and clean, it's silent and peaceful. And I feel like that's something I need to lean into. It's like, this is what feels so right for my soul and my spirit. And I shouldn't go against the grain of that. It always makes me kind of contemplate like my living situation and living in Chicago. Something I've noticed is like my day-to-day life, I'm racing against time. Everything is oriented around time and tasks, and it is so emotionally draining. And when I'm here, it's like there's nothing I'm working against. There's no time I'm trying to beat. It feels so awesome. I feel like I have like so many different paths that I want to take and so many lives I want to live. And ultimately, I'm just grateful that I know I'm in a position where I can choose a path. And I have that freedom and liberty to just do what I want. I'm just grateful. Dude, 23. I feel like I've been 23 for like 4 years. I'm not kidding. And I think it's just because I've done so much and learned so much within this freaking year of being 23 years old. And I'm still only halfway there. Life is good. They're not kidding about that. Do it! Go on! It's like bungee. You did great with the wasabi. I'm proud of you for doing it. First experience, and she did great. I'm proud of you. Any words of wasabi?
Don't do it.
Way to end the vlog. Yeah. The bus was supposed to come to take me to Phoenix 40 minutes ago.
I probably could have taken you this morning.
And it's still not here. So we're gonna wait a little bit more and cross our fingers.